If you have ever got to the copyright strike, or you are simply tired of overused sound, this tool will completely change how you create forever. This is Google Labs Music FX, a tool that lets you generate your own custom-made soundtracks in seconds. It is royalty-free and ready to use on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or anywhere. Let me show you how it works and why you may never download stock music ever again. So to create your free music, just come to your browser and type Google Labs, and you'll see the tools under Google Labs. Click on Google FX. And this is the interface. You'll see all the tools under Google FX. I use Whisk a lot. If you have watched my other videos, you'll see it's a great tool for image generation. But for this tutorial, we are using Music FX. So just click on Launch Music FX. And yes, this is the page where the magic is going to happen. This is where you create your music. You'll see these are different types of music that you can create. You can even click on Load More to see all types of sounds that you can create. For me, I'm creating soul, so I'll click on soul, and I already have my lyrics. If you do not have your lyrics, it is very easy. Just use ChatGPT to come up with the lyrics. You already have a concept of the kind of song you want to create, maybe love song, gospel song, jazz, Afrobeats, whatever you want to create. Just go on ChatGPT and give it a concept, a song about this, and it will give you amazing. You can even ask for options, different options, and when you read through the lyrics, you see the one that resonates with you most. Just select that. For me, I already have my lyrics. I'll just paste my lyrics here, and because it cannot generate more than 30 seconds, so I'm taking out the verse. We'll be using the chorus alone, so it can fit into the time available. And here, this is the chorus alone. Just hit generate. And guys, our music is ready. It finished generating already. All you just need to do is download it to your device, and you're absolutely free to use this music because it was entirely created by you. You can use it for your content background sound. You can use it for movie soundtrack. You can use it for ASMR kind of content. All those contents you see, creating content for sleep, all those nighttime contents that enable people sleep, ASMR kind of content. You can use it for it because it was entirely created by you. Let's listen to what we've created. That is how easy it is to create unlimited copyright-safe music. You can even generate your own versions of popular sound styles. Please remember to like, subscribe, and save this for later. You would need it. And don't forget to share with fellow creators who need to see this.